What's up, YouTube? Alright, so final unboxing video today. We're going to go through a little bit of the music that's going in the truck. Try to make this quick because the battery's going dead and I got to get ready to go work on the truck. So we'll start off. We got a couple boxes here, so let's just get it started. And you can see my son is playing basketball in the background. Let's go ahead and get this thing started. Look at me while I tear the box open because I didn't cover the addresses up. So the goal for the RAM was nothing crazy. It doesn't have to be crazy loud. I just want some good sounding, pretty decent music. So first thing is a little cheap amp kit. Actually, I've used it plenty of times, like because it comes with a lot of good stuff. But cheap little CCA 0 gauge to 4 gauge amp kit. So we'll put it to the side. This is the same line output converter I use in the charger. I don't have any that expensive, audio control, blah blah blah. Charger sounds great using a simple pack SNI 35. So that's going in the RAM. And we have some RCA cables, some 3 feet ones. That is all for that box. Let's jump to the next box. Alright, so the next box, point it down here. Next box is from eBay. Hopefully my phone stays charged up long enough for it. So, as you can see here, we have the 3 3/4 aluminum bullet tweeters from Audiopipe. Use Audiopipe tweeters a lot. I like them. They're get pretty loud. They're cheap to recone if you blow them. So, I actually haven't used these before. Let's just take a look. These are the ATR 3723B. I like them because they're black, hopefully. So, if we look at them, yeah, it looks just like the other one. I think the 3723 normal. Oh, duh, B means black. Haha. Alright, so yeah, this is a little Audiopipe tweeter. Looks like it's changed up from the normal one. It has a little surround right here that I like. So yeah, I have actually 8 of those. I was gonna go with 4, but just for the look of the door that I want, I decided to go ahead and go with 8. So have 8 of those. I'm gonna throw those in there. Slide this to the side. Alright, so next up, I don't even know what's in here. Another Amazon box, I think. I have a Boss, cheap crossover. I just need it because it has the high and low pass filter for the rear, and then the front is just high pass. I'm not running basic this time. I've actually used this crossover, had it in the charger, and I just upgraded to the Aria crossover, and I sold this one to my buddy and put in his Crown Vic. But yeah, just a Boss BX55. Like I say, I've had good results. The key for me is to be able to control the low pass filter and to be able to cut the high pass up to take some of the bass out. So yeah, we got that. Again, RAM, cheap, decently loud, beautiful. Go for the RAM, that's it. And when I say cheap, I don't mean $200 cheap. Still over $1,000 worth of equipment here. There's really no way to cheap it out. I mean, even if you get super cheap speakers, it's gonna run up there. So next up is ding ding ding. Taramp. I run Taramps all the time. So the charger has the Taramp 8K, the HD8000. I ran the HD5000, and before that I ran the HD3000. So we're gonna go ahead and just open this box, and let's see what we have in here. Bam! The new MD3000.1. I just want to give it a try. See how it does. See how I do on the mids and highs. Let's just look at the settings real quick. So high pass adjustable from 10 to 90 hertz. Low pass adjustable from 90 to 18,000 hertz. It also has bass boost, volume controls, monitor, input, RCAs, 8 gauge-ish inputs for the speaker, and 4 gauge, like barely 4 gauge for the power. You can see the minimum 4 gauge. So I run Taramps. I love them. I'm going to keep running them. This is the one-on version of the MD3000. And I was trying to see if it came with a clip indicator like the other ones, but it looks like it doesn't. No problem. My buddy actually has a Taramp HD3000, and I will buy his clip indicator because that is going to be cheap. So anyway, let's go ahead and slide that back in here. And last box. Alright, so the last box from Parts Express. You can see it says PRV audio. The charger runs Crescendo Ultra Neos. Just trying to do something a little different this time. And I don't want to cut my door, like the door skin. I'm not trying to cut that. So what we have here is the 8MB500 V2 Neodymium 2-inch voice coil, 250 watts RMS, 500 watts programmed power. This is the 8-inch mid-bass driver that I'm going to run. It says mid-bass, but I'm using it as a mid-range. I play mine pretty high on the top end. Let's just open one up, show you what it looks like. These are my favorite mid-range 8s that I've heard. So just pop it open. So this is what you get. And there you go. Reason I have it, small magnet. It's a neodymium magnet. I don't want to cut the door skin of my door. So we're going to run this. How many we're running? Well, we got 8. 4 each door. Yeah, 4 each front door and 4 tweeters per door. Tweeters are a bit overkill for this setup, but like I say, it lays out visually the way I want it to, so I just want to bought the extra tweeters. Again, these are my favorite 8s probably out. I haven't heard the Crescendo Ultra Neo 8s yet, but I really like these. They hold the power well, and they seem to be side by side, at least it's equal to the PRV 10 MR650. I guess it's the MR now, the neodymium one. So at least it's equal to that. I think it holds the power better. But anyway, we're running 8 of those. This is most of the stuff. I do have a few things coming in later that I've also unboxed, but I want to go and do your unboxing now because I have to get ready to go, finish doing the door panels, and I need to take the speakers with me. So I want to shoot that. But in the mail should be a crossover, some more RCAs, and what else? I think that's about it. But anyway, there's a few more little odds and ends coming, but I need to go ahead and show you guys the unboxing. Again, gold is a cheaper, decently loud-ish setup. I'm only running that HJ3000, so I know some of you guys are probably thinking, gosh, 3,000 watts on mids and highs, that's a lot. But in this pro audio world, it's really not. I mean, like it's okay. Again, I have 8 speakers and a charger. I'm running the Taramp HD3000. So anyway, that's most of the stuff. You don't see the tweeter amp. Tweeter amps, I never really care about tweeter amps. I always run one of the cheapest amps that I probably can get. It's just running tweeters. So I'm sure I'm going to be running like a crunch for now. Maybe I'll upgrade that later, but it's going to serve the purpose well. I mean, it's just pushing some tweeters there. Again, what, 150 watts RMS. So anyway, that's that. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing of some of the music that's going in the RAM. Again, I have 7 days to get music installed, lift installed, tires mounted, aligned, and get to the exhaust shop. Today is Wednesday, November the 7th. We are leaving Thursday, November 15th. So with that said, YouTube, I'm going to peace out. We'll talk with you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some other videos. Peace out.